Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to earn money here in Canva. Let's begin. Earning money using Canva can be a rewarding venture, especially if you can leverage your design skills and creativity. Now, here are several ways you can monetize your Canva usage. Number one is you can offer your design services on different freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs. Many clients seek designers who can create logos, social media graphics, posters, and more using Canva. We have a separate video on how to create logo here in Canva that you might want to check on our channel. Now, you see, you can create at scale with brand templates. You can try the Canva themes or contact sales if you wanted to sell custom templates here in Canva. Otherwise, just open your account. Now, you can design and sell custom templates for posters, social media posts, business cards, and other materials like platforms for Etsy, Creative Market on your own website. Now, here you can start from creating a design from scratch. But if you wanted to maybe start from a simple template that you can fully customize, you can choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. In my case, I'm going to choose the create a design. Now in this blank canvas, I'm going to upload a certain photo right here. You can use all the elements here in Canva in the left side panel of your dashboard. Click on elements. You can put in graphics, shapes, and all of these. You can also add like a photo. For example, I'm going to use this. For example, I'm going to create maybe a gradient right here, like this one. You can scale it, you can maximize it, and make it like a background of your choice. All right, send it to back. So we have that. And on the elements, you might want to type in, for example, gradient. So you can have like a gradient right here. Click on see all. You have all these under your perusal, right? You can basically send it to backward, decrease the transparency. You can use all of these so they can blend well together, all right? Send to backward, and of course, here, maybe this one right here at the bottom. All right, so click the present full screen to make sure that your design looks perfectly well put together. Right? If you feel that this design will make you money, now it's the perfect time for you to share this, all right, to your social media channel. Now, you might want to sell this specific design to your social media channel like Instagram. You can advertise it to your Facebook, to your Twitter, or to your TikTok, all right? Another platform that you can sell your design, again, is like the platform for. Again, you can offer your design services on this platform called Fiverr, all right? You can see that there are like different niche, such as programming and tech, graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation. Now, if you type in, for example, Canva, there's a lot of, job opportunities and career that you can search from here. These are some of the top freelancers for your first order, all right? You can discover sellers with great track record at guiding new buyers. Canva expert, level 2, level 2. You see that? There's a lot that, of course, you can increase your rate as you go along, because once you get proficient with using Canva as a means of creating beautiful design templates and graphics designs that you can work with, you might want to, of course, grow and earn money, and of course have a long lucrative career here in Canva. Not only that, you can also offer your design services on the platform called 99 Designs, all right? Many clients seek designers who can create logos, social media graphics, posters, and more here, all right? For example, if you type in Canva, let's see what we got here, right? Press enter. You see, graphic design services for your brand. And basically, these are some of the graphics that has been powered or created from Canva. So there's going to be a lucrative opportunity waiting for you. After Fiverr, now you see, Upwork is one of the best platform there is for you to earn money using this, offering your design services. Again, if you type in, for example, Canva, let's see how many options can we get from it. You see, these are some of the best Canva graphics designer, all right? Social media branding and a lot more. Essentially, if you get really good and proficient here in Canva, you can be one of the top rated Upwork graphics designer as well. So there are like a lot of avenues for you. Now, apart from that, you can start a print on demand business. You can use the Canva designs right here for products like t-shirts, mug, tote bags, and posters. Now, you see there's going to be an option here that says print with Canva, right? Let's do that. Let's search for it. On the upper right, click the print with Canva. You see, you can market your products on social media or your online store, all right? You can partner with print-on-demand services like Printful, Redbubble to sell these products without holding inventory. And of course, these are some of the options that you can use for print-on-demand business. For example, if you want to publish this one as maybe like, say, wall calendar or postcards, click on that. You would notice that you have been forwarded here, all right? Canva offers quality postcards delivered to your doorsteps right here. You can select the pages to print. These are going to be some of the samples right here, all right? You have the front, page 1, and back none, and you can also have the option to print. Is it going to be A6, A5, and a lot more? And this is going to be the subtotal. Again, after creating your print-on-demand business product, you can offer your services here, all right? Say, for example, if you plan to sell t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and posters, and of course, the print-on-demand services like the postcards right here to sell these products without holding inventory, especially here in Printful, all right? Or you can also market that to Redbubble, especially if you're using the poster card earlier that you printed here in Canva. So there's a lot of avenue you can use to start earning and making a career, a lucrative opportunity, and of course making a lot of money here in Canva. All right, you can package your services to include content creation, posting schedules, and analytics tracking. All right. Another option that you can try is promoting the Canva and earn commissions by joining their affiliate program. Share your unique affiliate link through your blog, social media, or email newsletters. Create content that highlights Canva's features, benefits, and how it can help your audience, encouraging them to sign up. In the past, you can sell your media online and start earning here in Canva's design tool. But right now, signups are temporary and unavailable. But obviously, all you have to do is become a contributor with a single click. Click on sign up, upload your work, and start earning. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.